What's up, guys? It's Esteban with Reality Cut Co. here, and I have some sprockets that I'm going to be cutting out. I just wanted to show you guys how I do that. So let's get to it. Also, peep the glasses, laser approved. You could look at the laser, nothing's going to happen to you. Go cop a pair, RNS Laser Technology. So we have everything ready on our cutting software. We have the sheet on. It's time to cut it. Alright, so this is our finished sprocket. As you can see, very clean cuts on this. Yeah, this is our finished product here. Very nice.